Su-57 is a twin-engine multi-role stealth fighter aircraft. Developed by Russia during Cold War, it took its first flight in 1999. Because it is a 5th-gen aircraft fighter, so it is developed for the air superiority. However, its stealth technology is not as good as F-22 Raptor and also lacks technical advancement. But let's check some of its unique qualities which make this aircraft fighter to fit in the category of 5th generation aircraft fighters. These are design and stealth, radar, maneuverability, and weapons. Now we will explore them one by one. Design and stealth. Su-57 has a cutting-edge design which decreases the radar cross-section area and make it partially invisible for radar to detect. Second, the weapons are kept inside weapon bay, so the weapons are also in the stealth protection. The body of Su-57 is coated with radar-absorbing material or RAM, due to which planes do not reflect the radar waves coming from the enemy radars. The canopy of Su-57 is also covered with metal oxide layer to protect the pilot from the exposure of UV radiation, because this aircraft can operate at the height of 66,000 feet above the sea level. Su-57 is equipped with N036 AESA radar system and L402 Himalayas electronic countermeasure system. These systems are divided on the body of the aircraft at two places. One is on the typical nose mounted and second is at the chin of the aircraft, which increases the aircraft's angular coverage and precision during the dogfight or attack mode. Engine. Su-57 has NPO Lyoka Saturn Easily 117 or AL41F1 turbofan engines, which can produce dry thrust of 107.9 kN or 24,300 pounds and 171.7 kN or 38,600 pounds using afterburners. And both of its engine has thrust-vectoring technology, which means they can direct thrust in any direction opposite to each other. This is technically an advanced engine with new technology developed by Russia. Because it is a new engine, so it is not well optimized so that it can face some difficulties during the fight. Su-57 is called as the most maneuverable fighter jet till today because of its thrust vectoring technology. Its both engine can direct their thrust at any direction during flight independent to each other. This is the unique quality which makes Su-57 extremely maneuverable. That's why it can super cruise just over Mach 1.6 without using afterburners. This is the qualities which make Su-57 most maneuverable fighter jet in the aviation history, and it can also do Cobra maneuver. Weapons. A fighter jet is nothing without weapons. Su-57 has two inside weapon bays which run along the entire length of the aircraft, and two side-based weapon hardpoints can also be used for the small missiles and bombs. So Su-57 contains 6 hardpoints for combat. It is a multi-role all-weather fighter jet designed to target air-to-air, air-to-surface and air-to-sea enemies, so its weapon package contains all three kinds of weapons. Su-57 can be equipped with 550 pounds KAB 250 or 1100 pounds KAB 500 precision-guided bombs in its main bay, KH-38M air-to-ground missiles, KH-58 anti-radiation missiles, KH-35U anti-ship missiles, and KH-59 Mk2 cruise missiles. A hypersonic missile is also in development, which is specially designed for Su-57. It also contains 30 mm cannon with 150 rounds to use in close air combat, which gives Su-57 a significant advantage during dogfight, as Su-57 contain variety of weapons. That's why it can be used to target aircrafts, warships as well as surface targets. All of these qualities makes Su-57 a lethal and a technically advanced aircraft fighter jet, which can operate in various missions and in all weathers. That's it guys. For more videos, please subscribe the channel and press the bell icon.